Kapag may namatay, na Pilipino, that is the red flag, that is the red line. Nandun pa rin sila. So we're continuously monitoring their activities in Ayungin Shoal. And basta ang guidance namin sa ating mga tropa doon is that they practice maximum tolerance and still observe the rule of law. So hayaan natin na mag-violate ang China ng rules of engagement or international law. Basta tayo, we will remain in our post and we will make sure that we continue to uphold our sovereignty and our sovereign rights. No? Dahil yung significance, yung symbolism nung BRP Sierra Madre na nandyan is that we are maintaining, we are asserting our right to our exclusive economic zone.
Are we deploying more troops or any? Yeah.
We are. It's not just dependent on the armed forces of the Philippines. It is a whole of nation approach. So we are waiting also for the guidance from the National Task Force on the West Philippine Sea.
So wala namang naging encounter or violent?
Wala namang nagkaroon ng
tense yung situation.
Tense yung situation dahil nandyan lumalapit sila, no? Pero yung mga tropa natin, we continue to push them outward. No? We continue, nakita nyo sa mga pictures na kahit na rubber boats lang tayo at sila mas malaking boats, we continue to push them, no? Dahil hindi tayo papayag na makalapit sila sa BRP Sierra Madre.
Yung location ba ng mga Chinese vessels and ship surrounding o on one side lang of Sierra Madre?
Matagal na silang surrounding. No? Maski nung pumunta ako nung 2023, December, nakita ko yung sitwasyon nila dun sa BRP Sierra Madre. At kung titingnan mo, yung paligid ng BRP Sierra Madre, maraming mga barko yung China na nakapalibot dun sa Ayungin Shoal.
In this situation, you can say na surrounded ng Chinese ships ng Sierra Madre at this point?
Well, kasi pag sinabi mong surrounded, baka iba yung connotation. Ano? But of course, you can see na nandun lang sila sa paligid. They're around the Ayungin Shoal. And umiikot sila. So
yung red flag nyo at this time that will medyo defensive, magte-take ng defensive action. What is the red flag at this point in time?
Well, continuous pa rin yung pag-observe natin ng red flag na sinabi ng ating Pangulo.
Which is?
Kapag may namatay, na Pilipino, that is the red flag, that is the red line. No? So basta tayo, tuloy-tuloy pa rin na didepensahan natin yung BRP Sierra Madre. And katulad niya ng nasabi ko, the symbolism of that is that we are protecting our sovereignty and our sovereign rights. So tuloy-tuloy lang yung mga sundalo natin na nandyan sa BRP Sierra Madre. We will remain in that area.
So sir, what happens when they cross that red line?
We have contingency plans, but we cannot reveal that.